Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to format text in MS Word. This will help you make your document look professional and clean. So let's start it. First of all, open your MS Word. So I have this MS Word page image. So I want to format this text like a bold and color. So I am editing. I am going to edit. So I click on this and selecting by highlighted. So I'm going to home, then create this is money, and I am going to adjust in middle and make bigger. So money is bigger and color is red, and this is, and if I edit this in a bold color, I want to bold it, and size is 11. So I am changing the size of 18. So this is no, I'm changing, decreasing the size. So this is right. So here you can also adjust the alignment, left, center, right, and a spacing. So you can select this, and you can see here the alignment, right, center, and right, and left, and in the uh, equality. So I want to equal the whole paragraph, all sentences, and all lines. So this is, and if you want to change this as a color only, click on the color, and you want to choose any specific color, so click on it, and you can see deposit a portion of your income is green. So this is the tutorial of how to change or format your text in MS. Thanks for watching, and want to learn more, check out the full playlist for more MS Word tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe us.